Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shad Godoy and a very lovely Sunday sa inyong lahat. And today I'm going to talk about one student of mine, no? Because he got my attention. So one coaching day, he got my attention and he asked me, sabi niya, Coach, 100,000, kaya ba talaga yun? Oh, parang ang laki ng doubt niya sa sarili niya, alam niyo yun. And he asked me 100,000, is it achievable for a beginner like me? Okay. So, yeah, nag-work na siya for your information. Nag-work na siya as a virtual assistant. Okay. So, ang karamihan na ginagawa niya is email marketing. And then one coaching day, he asked me, Coach, 100,000, kaya ba talaga? Para kasing, alam mo yun, parang hindi siya naniniwala na kaya niya. Hindi siya naniniwala na maaabot niya yung ganung amount kahit medyo bago pa lang siya dito. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, kung nagagawa akong kumita ng 100,000 na hindi pa ako gumagalaw, na hindi pa ako gumagawa ng client work, no? Parang sa mga side project ko pa lang na-achieve ko na yung 100K. Ikaw pa ba na actively working ka for a client? No, it's just a numbers game, no? It's just a numbers game. Sinabi ko sa kanya, it's just a numbers game. Kung ang rate mo is around $12 an hour USD and you're working for 6 days a week for 8 hours, you are going to earn 130,000 plus a month, no? So ganun kalaki yung kikitain mo pag gaganon yung rate mo. And you know what? Right now I'm working on him. Um, I'm working on him and I'm giving him advice, no? Minomonitor ko kung nag-a-apply ba siya, no? So sabi ko sa kanya, it's just a system eh. We just need to follow a system that works for us. And ayun, ang ginagawa namin, like, I asked him like, pull an Excel file. Okay, you pull an Excel file, you do this, column A, you number it, column B, dito mo ilalagay yung mga job posting na gusto mong applyan. Column C is where you put the checkbox kung in-applyan mo siya o hindi, no? And add additional column if you have notes, no? If you have notes for that specific task, kunyari in-applyan mo kung may task ba, 'di ba? Or if you did an interview, maglagay ka ng notes, no? Put a notes doon sa job post na yon na in-applyan mo kung meron ka mga kailangang maintindihan, kung ano yung mga hindi mo nasabi, ano yung mga sinabi mo, no? And you know what? After 2 weeks, he got additional 3 interviews and one sure ball client, no? So, dalawa na yung client niya. And it's not real me, it's not really me na naggumawa sa kanya yan. It's just himself, no? Siya ang gumawa nun sa sarili niya, hindi lang ako. Kumbaga, nandun lang ako sa gilid niya, watching watching his back, no? Absorbing his stories. Kasi ang nangyari, ang ginagawa niya, every day, binibigyan niya ako ng update. Binibigyan niya ako ng update, mini-message niya ako, ito na po yung ginagawa ko. Oh, coach, meron akong interview today. Pero yung nakikinig lang ako sa kanya. Pero siya yung gumagawa. Kumbaga, every 2 weeks, nagbi-meet lang kami. O, ano nang ginawa mo? Did you maintain your routine? Did you maintain your system? Araw-araw ka ba nag-a-apply? O ano ba yung natutunan mo dito sa interview na to? Ano yung natutunan? Kumbaga, nakikinig lang ako sa kanya. And the guy is the one who's doing the work, no? Parang sinusunod lang niya yung mga payo ko. Ah, kung ano yung mga sinesend ko na libro, binabasa niya, ano yung pinapagawa ko sa kanya. For example, oh, ikaw araw-araw kang mag-journal, ganito. So, ginagawa niya, o basahin mo yung ganito, isulat mo yung ganyan. Kumbaga, nandun lang ako sa likod niya. Pero siya yung gumagawa nun. And I believe currently, right now, I guess he had three eh. Hindi ako sigurado, but dalawang clients sure ball. He got three clients part-time. And then I'm not very sure if mathematically, if matapos tong buwan na to, marireach niya yung 100K. But I'm pretty sure he can hit he can hit the 100K. And magagawa niya na makipag-meet sa mga friends niya. Kasi ang nangyari, natatakot siya makipag-meet sa mga friends niya kasi nga, feeling niya dati kasi, di ba, pag nakakita tayo ng mga friends natin na successful, parang ayaw natin makipag-meet. And yun yung gusto niyang magawa after this, no? Makapag-meet sa mga friends niya na may, alam mo yun, yung hindi ka nahihiyang makipagkita sa mga kaibigan mo kasi may feeling mo may narating ka na eh. So yun yung gusto lang namin magawa after this. And basta nakakatuwa lang na hindi hindi lang talaga tayo naniniwala sa sarili natin na kaya natin. Yung simpleng yung simpleng maniwala lang tayo sa sarili natin at sundin lang yung mga system na pinapagawa sa atin. Merong effect eh. Parang physics lang yan, guys. Parang alam niyo yung effect na if there's an action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So yun lang yun ang nangyari sa kanya. Kumbaga, pinagawa ko siya ng LinkedIn, kumonect siya sa mga tao, nag-reach out siya sa mga tao, naka-receive siya ng messages, naka-receive siya ng mga job interviews. Kumbaga may reaction yung pinagagawa niya. Tapos nag-apply siya sa mga trabaho. Every day, we send one application a day. And then after a few days, nagkaroon siya ng interview with those applications. Kumbaga nag-iintay lang eh. Nag-iintay lang yung opportunity sa'yo na pumasok ka doon sa opportunity. Ang problema lang, medyo natatakot yung tao. They are just afraid that they are enough for that position. Sabi ko, pero yun nga, sabi ko sa kanya, you just follow what I said to you and follow it religiously. At syempre, pag desperado ka na, kung desperado ka talaga, magagawa at magagawa mo eh. 'Di ba? Use your desperation, 'di ba? Sinasabi ko sa iba, huwag kang maging desperado, pero if you're desperate, use that desperation in order for you to do action. No, and papakita ko sa inyo guys, pag alam ko eh, I believe he will hit 100,000. Pero ito lang yung pinapangako ko sa kanya. Once you hit 100,000, huwag kang magrereklamo sa akin kung bakit hindi ka makatulog. No, huwag kang magrereklamo kasi yung 100,000 may kaakibat yan nakapalit. You need to do the work, di ba? Kasi pag nandiyan na yung client, kailangan mo magtrabaho. At pag nagtrabaho ka, mapapagod ka, no? At pag napagod ka, syempre, magiging emotional ka. Kumikita na ako ng pera pero medyo pagod ako pero it's a good problem, di ba? It's a good problem, no? So, kung nakakuha ka ng client at nagtiwala sila sa iyo, pagpaguran mo, mag-work ka, no? At huwag kang magreklamo sa magandang problema kasi kung may client ka, magandang problema 'yan, no? May trabaho ka at mapapagod ka pero kikita ka. And eventually, ipapakita ko sa inyo, hindi ko lang siya gustong ipakita sa inyo dito ngayon kasi I'm working on him and I believe he is working every day on himself. Kasi ngayon medyo nagiging busy na siya eh. Alam niyo yung minsan lang siya magparamdam sa'yo kasi nga may trabaho na eh. Pero I want him to hit 100K or even surpass it for him to really creates that opportunity for him na in online freelancing, hindi talaga yung alam niyo yung saturated na sinasabi nila, ay, mag-iba ka na ng ano, ng linya kasi saturated na yung market eh. Hindi eh. Why? Because 99% of people are afraid. That is one of the advantages. Kasi almost 90 to 99% of people are really not doing the work. Yung 1% lang, yung 1%, yung sometimes 5%. Okay, masyado ka namang ano eh, 1% lang ba sa isang daan ng talagang hindi. Sige, let, let's be modest. Okay, 5%. 5% are only the people who are willing to do the work, who are willing to apply, who are willing to be rejected, who are willing to be ridiculed. Those are just the top 5% who are really applying, no? Yung 95% are just on the sidelines watching. So that is your advantage, no? That is your advantage if you want to get onto this. And sometimes it's just the fear, eh, no? All you need to do is a little push. Yun lang ang kailangan ng iba eh. Para magkaroon sila ng momentum, alam mo yung konting tulak. Itutulak mo lang talaga sila na huwag kang matakot. No? Minsan pag nagbabasa tayo ng mga job description, di ba? Pag kunyari mag apply tayo, natatakot na tayo. Pero you don't even know yung nagke-create ng job description. Kina-copy-paste lang nila yung job description. Pero they are really not looking 100% dun sa skills na nilalagay nila sa job description. Because they really know that they cannot find the real 100% perfect person to do the job. Hindi naman lahat makikita mo sa isang tao eh. But the willingness and the attitude of the person, the energy, that is something that they're looking for. No? Besides the skill, they're looking for the energy. They're looking for the attitude if the client is motivated or not, no? Kasi nararamdaman 'yan during interviews, no? So yun lang guys. If you don't believe that 100K is not if it's not for beginners, I will show you something in the future that this person, it's beginner lang siya. He just have a part-time client when he worked out with me, and I will show you how can a little bit of momentum push you on onto something that is great, no? So yun lang. Ano bang video to? Umagang umaga. Basta, I mean, if you're not really believing na hindi mo ma-hit yung 100K, magugulat ka pag na-hit mo. Okay. So yun lang guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel in order for you to watch more videos, and next season sa season 2 ipapakita ko siya sa inyo. And he will be the one, no, lalaki siya. He will be the one to tell you kung ano yung ginawa niya na nagbigay sa kanya kung ano man yung meron na siya ngayon, no? At I pray for the guy, no, na to continue his work, no, wag siyang mawawala ng motivation to keep following the course, to keep following the the routine every day. Don't stop every day. Keep pushing yourself every day. Kahit weekends, keep pushing yourself. And eventually, may awa ang Diyos, no? Luck will find him na ma-reach niya yung 100K. And And I pray kung ano man yung gusto niyang goal, if gusto niyang ma-meet yung friends niya na successful na siya, ay magagawa niya. No? In God's name. Salamat po sa inyo. Have a blessed Sunday to everyone, and see you in my next video.